As for the antidote, you can fight prejudice, first by recognizing it for what it is.
This is going on my story time on Facebook, but this will be uploaded to YouTube as well because the word needs to get out. Now, I'm doing a challenge, I guess, if you will, or if you want to call it that. So I'm going to participate in this challenge. Why? Because I think it's a good and noble gesture, and more people should be like this. And we cannot trash our home. You wouldn't trash the place that you lay your head, would you? So enough said. So why would you trash our world? We have to live in this world, just like Joe said. If you don't know who Joe is, go to Facebook story time. If you're Facebook friends with him, then you should be able to see what I'm talking about. If you're not, ask to be his friend. I'm sure he don't mind. The more word to get out, the better. So his thing is, pick up one piece of trash a day. Just one piece of trash a day. But see, he takes it to another level. He sees an area where there's trash, and he'll pick up all the trash in that immediate area. Now, I'm in the area, but this place is trashy. It's because I'm in the ghetto, like hood/city, so it's a park. And let me tell you, the things that are on this ground, I mean, anywhere from needles. Nah, not needles. I have yet to see one. But I see baggies and stuff around. Drug baggies. Beer cans. Blunt wrappings. Come on. Come take a walk with me. Let's all take a walk so you can see what I'm talking about. There's one can. Look. Look. Y'all thought I was kidding. Blunt wrappers. Look, come on. Come take a walk. Come take a walk. This is what they do to our parks. And kids gotta play here. Another blunt wrap. Look, soda can. You feel me? So, my thing is, I'm participating in this pick up one thing a day challenge. But you know what? I'm M.A.W. I'm masters at Wagtail. And I master everything I do. So I go the extreme. Because I don't play around, man. I get shit done, son. Now, what you got to say about that, Mr. Vega? Joe? Huh? What you got to say about that, Joe? Huh? Top that. Top that, son. Let's get it on and poppin'. Let's get it crackle-lacking. Look, son. Man, I could spend 8 hours here, and I ain't trying to do that today. So, if you think you can beat that, come on. I'll take a day off and pick up trash the whole day. Don't mess with me, son. You can't beat me. I got plenty of trash to go find and pick up. I'm in that kind of area. All right. Mac-a-fracka. Peace. Oh, I have to show the trash can, too. I have to show the trash can. These people are looking at me like I'm crazy, yo. They are looking at me like I'm crazy. Look, more.